Hi, I'm Mary Gannon, Senior Editor with Design World, and I'm here today with Dan Kowalik from ITT Enidine. Dan is here to talk to us a little bit about ITT Enidine's newest product, its Sentinel 1 shock absorber. Dan, tell us a little bit about what's going on here with this.
What I have here is a new product that we're launching. This is one of our standard industrial shock absorbers. These are used within high-speed packaging systems, high-speed delivery systems, high-speed automation. These help to stop product if it's moving too fast, whether it's a safety-related issue or just part of the typical process. What we've added, which is Sentinel 1, is we've added a smart switch or sensor on the end of the shock, which delivers activity, and it sends that both wirelessly. It also has no battery, so it harvests its own power. And when an activity happens and an event occurs, it sends a wireless signal, and then we have a receiver box. This wireless signal can be used for just basic activity. It can be a counting system so that it can tell you when you're close to end of life. It can also be used as a safety feature to let you know if something's happened at a certain position within the factory. For example, some of our customers use these in very safety critical type spaces applications. Most customers would really like to know when this shock has been activated, because that typically means something unplanned happened. And then we also have other kind of more advanced features where if something were to happen and this were to be in a held position, we could trigger a warning and an escalation if something were to happen. So if there was a safety issue and a high-speed system were to run off the track, we could actually say, hey, something's going on and now we need to shut power to the line, or someone needs to come out to investigate. With our system, if something happens, an event happens, we can then trigger an alarm. We could send a text, email, we can automatically stop power to the line, and then the safety team and management team can come out and investigate what happened in that particular area.
Are there specific applications, markets that you're targeting with this new product, or is it just anywhere where safety might be an issue?
We're actually targeting all of our industrial spaces,
okay.
Because in some applications safety is a high concern and it's core to the application.
Sure.
In other areas, our product is actually used repeatedly within part of the process. So to attain higher speeds in the processing, our shocks are used to actually slow product down, and it's used actually every cycle. In those higher use applications, we see this as an advantage to understand end of life and activity. We also see it as an opportunity for our product to become part of the automation system. So it can start sending signals that an event has happened and now an event has not happened. So we can understand if a package comes in and it stops the package, it will also let the system know when the package has moved on to the next step. Typically, many of our customers will use our product and then bring in other sensors around our product to help enhance the automation process so they know where packaging is and product is. In this case, we can actually be part of the process and help feed some of the sensor information that our customers require in the automation space.
Is this the model that's available, or are there other designs available, or are you working on more custom?
So this model is available, and this model is scalable for all of our HD shocks. We are planning to go into some of our other shock lines, but right now we're targeting the HD shock system, and it is available right now.
So this is in a big foray for ITT Enidine into the IoT world. Where can our viewers get more information on this new technology?
Great, thank you very much. You can get more information regarding this technology if you go to enidine.com.
Great, Dan, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you very much.
And for more need-to-know engineering videos, visit designworldonline.com. Thanks for watching.